External gear pumps are a popular gear principle and widely used as lubrication pump in machine tools, in fluid power transfer, and as an oil pump. Yes, today I will be talking about external gear pump, how does it work, as well as advantages and disadvantages of the same. So let's begin. First of all, let us see the construction of external gear pump in details, and then we will talk about the working. Okay, the outermost part of pump is known as casing. Casing protects all the parts, avoids the splashing of water outside the pump, as well as it helps to oil flow from inlet to outlet. Next is the gear pair. These gears may be spur gears, helical gears, or herringbone gears. Helical gear and herringbone gear have always more flow at high speed as compared with the spur gears. This gear pair is externally meshed, out of which one is driver gear, which is mounted on the shaft of prime mover, and other is driven gear, and the last part is ports. For suction of oil in the pump, the suction or inlet port is provided. The delivery port is provided to supply high pressure oil. These two ports are located on opposite sides of gear case. Well, now let us see how it works. When motor or prime mover is started, it will rotate the driver gear and then driven gear. The unmeshing of rotating gears takes place at the inlet, due to which volume increases and partial vacuum is created. So the oil present at atmospheric pressure will enter inside the pump. Now the entered oil will get trapped between two gear teeth or space present between casing and gear tooth. Please note that there is tight clearance between gears and casing along with the high speed, which results in preventing the leakage. At the outlet port, meshing of gears takes place, due to which oil can forced out at high pressure through outlet port. Oil never flows through the gap present between two gears, and the closed tolerance is also helps to prevent the leakage from outlet side to inlet side. This gear pump can work up to 300 bar and maximum speed is 3000 rpm. The volumetric efficiency of this type of pump is about 65 to 85%. Now let us see the advantages of external gear pump. This can create high pressure and can be used to pump the viscous liquids. It has few moving parts, hence maintenance cost is minimum and wear is also minimum. For this type of pump, priming is not required like the centrifugal pumps. The construction and design is simple. External gear pump is cheaper than vane and screw pump. Last point, disadvantages. Gear pumps always make noise as compared with other type of pumps. Internal leakage increases with increase in wear, which directly affects the efficiency. This is all about external gear pump.